I remain the undecided candidate. There is no need for any rush into this kind of decision. This is probably the biggest, most important decision I will have to make so far in my life. So I'm not going to rush it. I cannot see the reason to be in a hurry. Everybody is speculating. I've heard lahat ng tandem, lahat ng mga partnership, lahat ng mga kaalyado, lahat na siguro na possible combination narinig ko na.
Sir, yung pong Binay Marcos tandem, viable po ba yun sa tingin?
Of course it's viable. Bakit hindi? Lahat naman yan viable eh. Lahat naman yan. They're all, as I said, lahat yan possibilities. Kaya nga pinag-uusapan, kaya nga pinag-iisipan dahil maaaring mangyari.
Magandang tandem ba yun? Binay Marcos.
Well, it's another possibility. How it will play out, hirap basahin. Put it this way. There is no combination, tandem, alliance that is not possible. Never say never na nga.